Someone tells you to just relax. Your shoulders are up to your ears, your heart is racing, and they say just relax. Here's the problem: they have no idea what's happening in your brain right now. When you're stressed, your sympathetic nervous system is activated. This is your fight or flight response. Your amygdala, your brain's threat detector, has sounded an alarm. Cortisol and adrenaline are flooding your system. Your prefrontal cortex, the rational thinking part of your brain, has partially gone offline. And someone tells you to just think your way out of it. Here's the neuroscience. Stress regulation isn't primarily a thinking problem. It's a physiological state. Your autonomic nervous system has two branches. 1. The sympathetic arousal, action, survival. 2. The parasympathetic rest, digest, recover. When you're genuinely stressed, you're sympathetically dominant. Your body is preparing to fight or flee. Telling yourself to relax is like telling a fire to stop burning by reading it a poem. Just relax is a top-down instruction. It assumes your prefrontal cortex is in charge. But under stress, your brain prioritizes bottom-up signals from body to brain. Your heart rate, your muscle tension, your breathing rate, these tell your brain whether you're safe. Research from Dr. Stephen Porges' Polyvagal theory shows that true calm requires the body to send safety signals up to the brain, not the other way around. So when someone says, just relax, they're asking you to use the very system that's currently compromised. So what does work? 3 evidence-based approaches that target your nervous system directly. 1. Extended exhale breathing. Your vagus nerve, the main parasympathetic pathway, is activated by slow exhalation. Try this. Inhale for 4 counts, exhale for 6. The extended exhale stimulates your vagus nerve and sends a genuine safety signal to your brain. 2. Cold exposure to the face. The mammalian dive reflex is hardwired into your nervous system. Splashing cold water on your face or holding a cold pack to your cheeks activates this reflex, slowing your heart rate within seconds. 3. Grounding through the senses. The 5-4-3-2-1 technique isn't just mindfulness fluff. It engages your orienting response, a primitive neural circuit that assesses safety in your environment. When your brain registers no immediate threat, it begins downregulating the stress response. For some people, just relax is especially triggering because of neurobiological history. If you grew up in an environment where your stress responses were dismissed or punished, your nervous system learned that calm wasn't safe or wasn't allowed. Chronic childhood stress can alter HPA axis functioning, making your stress response both more sensitive and harder to downregulate as an adult. So when someone says, just relax, it doesn't just fail to help. It can activate a deeper pattern of feeling unseen, unsafe, or shamed for having a normal biological response. Let's look at the evidence. A 2014 meta-analysis in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness-based stress reduction, which includes body-based regulation techniques, significantly reduces anxiety. But cognitive reappraisal alone, just thinking differently, shows weaker effects during acute stress. Research from the Trauma Research Foundation shows that somatic approaches targeting the autonomic nervous system outperform purely cognitive interventions for trauma-related stress. And a 2021 study in Frontiers in Psychology demonstrated that vagal nerve stimulation, even through breathing, reduces inflammatory markers associated with chronic stress. The pattern is clear: body first, mind second. So the next time someone tells you to just relax, you can smile and know they don't understand your nervous system, but you do. Your brain isn't broken because it won't relax on command. It's doing exactly what evolution designed it to do: protect you. The work isn't to override that. It's to teach your body slowly and consistently that safety is possible. If you want more neuroscience that actually helps, subscribe to CortexCalm. Next week, how your vagus nerve controls more than you think. Stay calm, stay curious.